Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about building a resume and a cover letter with ChatGPT. How ChatGPT can help us write better in a faster way resume and cover letters for the jobs we seek. Um, it's really easy. We can develop it to be more complicated, but we'll start with the basic. So we can tell ChatGPT. So for instance, I am software engineer with 10 experience. Let's write me a resume template so I can apply for um, team leader roles in tech companies. Right, so we just tell him a few details and ask him to give us the result. And by the way, I'm working on the GPT 3.5 right now. We will go later for the GPT 4. So I'm now working on the GPT 3.5 because it's much faster. All right, so look how fast we get the result. So sure, here's a resume template for a software engineer with 10 plus years of experience applying for team lead roles in tech companies. So just the basic info. Objective to obtain a challenging team leader role in a reputable tech company where I can utilize my technical expertise and leadership skills to drive successful projects. So it gives us a nice summary: highly skilled and result-oriented software engineer with over 10 years of experience developing, designing, and delivering complex software applications. Just the basic stuff. And then it gives us like a professional experience template. I led a team of, coordinated with cross-functional teams, developed and maintained software. Of course, you can take what you really did, what you didn't. You can take off. You can edit it as much as you want. But this is a nice template because sometimes you get in hard like to write the resume to find the best template, and ChatGPT can really help us. So company name, position, employment again. And then it gives us like education, our skills, development tools, agile methodologies, leadership and management, certification, reference. How this template helps you creating a compelling resume. So we can tell him, make the resume more, we can say more professional and um, more skills oriented. So let's say we want to show our skills. We want to say how good we are in Java or in Python or whatever. So we can tell them and see how it changes a bit the resume. So you can change it on with like however you want. So you can make it like more, I don't know, more selling or more like more funny. This is just your way. Obviously, our resume should look professional. So this is what I asked him. So as you can see, he added like a few technologies. He and the company name. He added like what we did to show our skills. So yeah, so this is just a basic example, and obviously you can develop it as much as you want. So we can tell him now, I want to apply for a team leader role in Amazon. Write me a professional cover letter that will get me the job, right? So he writes us the cover letter. Now, another thing you can do, obviously, is to copy the job requirements to ChatGPT and tell him to write me a resume according to these job requirements. Now, I personally don't like to do it because I think that we should use ChatGPT for like the general things and like to like in related to resume, we should use them like as a template and not more like a specific um, resume for just a specific job. But obviously, you can do it. You can copy the job requirements. You can copy the job title and tell ChatGPT, I want to apply for this job. Write me a resume and a cover letter that fits to this job. So let's look at the cover letter. I'm excited to apply for the team leader role at Amazon with over 10 years of experience in software engineering and team leadership. I'm confident that I have the skills and expertise to drive successful projects and lead a team to achieve exponential results. So as you see, I'm also proficient. In my current role, I led a team. As a team leader, I will bring a combination of technical expertise and leadership skills to help drive successful projects and achieve business objectives. So obviously, you can develop it the way you want. You can make the cover letter like more skills oriented, more funny, more whatever you want. Just play with it. But again, I suggest to use it like as a general template and edit it in your way.